The Railroad Time Capsule takes you back.
Well, waiting for the northbound Florida Fun Train to pass us here in Auburndale on its way to Point Siena, here is a little history and the route of the train. The service started in October 1997. On board, there was a play area for the kids, a couple of single-level glass-top dome cars, a diner, and a tropical bar and grill. The Central Florida departure and arrival location was in Point Siena, not far from the present-day Sunrail station. The facility was located off a spur in an industrial area. There was no Y to turn the train, so an engine was needed at both ends. Once on the main line, the train proceeded south to Auburndale, on the ex-Atlantic coastline where it switched tracks, and continued its southward journey on the ex-Seaboard Railroad. The map, courtesy of OpenStreetMap, is a great resource for the rail enthusiast. Just select Layers, then the transportation map, from the icon to the right of your screen. The train ran to and from Fort Lauderdale, with the idea that passengers could include a cruise from nearby Port Everglades in their itinerary. The northern terminus in Point Siena was close to Walt Disney World. As a bonus, we catch this Amtrak train heading north following the Fun Train.
Why not subscribe?